I just spent the last 24 hours out in Florida customizing a pair of Elsa Pumas.
Elsa shoes.
Elsa shoes?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They're about to be fire. If these shoes are done, you better not mess them up.
I will mess them up.
You will mess them up?
Yeah.
What you mean, yeah?
Yeah. So you can keep making new ones, new ones, new ones.
You're not
New ones, new ones, new ones.
The frog out here. Frog or gecko, one of the two. Looked like a lizard, but it was hopping, so. Watch out. Watch out, these bugs.
Did you get the GoPro? Oh.
Yeah. These bugs over here trying to get me. Actually, let me catch some of these action. Look at, y'all see the thunder's going crazy out here. Hopefully the GoPro getting good quality film of this. Out here in Florida, customizing on the go. Work never leaves me. I gotta bring my heat gun.
Yeah, you want me to go get it?
Yeah.
We need it now?
I mean, yeah, sure thing. So I can be able to try here between coats.
Okay.
Oh, you not stand up? You not stand up now? Oh, let's stand up. You learn a new trick.
I think she already knew that trick, baby. Winter. No, see, this is what I'm talking about, baby. Take her out there. Come on, I'm trying to get shit done.
No, she want other. We inspire the youth out here, feel me? She out here coloring in Spider-Man, being right.
Huh?
Let's go in your own imagination.
Okay. So I show it?
Huh?
So I show it?
No, I was just getting that quick clip of you coloring in the lines of your imagination of Spider-Man. See what colorway you end up coming up with. Don't forget, you got more colors inside the actual box right here.
Okay.
Alright, so you don't gotta use red the whole time, but if you want to, you can.
The red goes on here.
We're gonna tune back in and see what you end up coming up with. Let me see what Spider-Man look like. Ooh, look at you doing your thing. I see you over there coloring Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
So right now, this is the look of Elsa. Gotta get some of this black line in her hair and then move on to the next And get certain parts, getting our blue. Keep going. so now we're gonna just dip this in like so. So as y'all see, we're gonna splat. Well, you might not want to let her in there. She's gonna go sniffing up the carpet. Alright, so we got everything painted on the shoe. Got our splatter art on there. So now we're about to take off the back parts and add my signature touch onto them bad boys. So let's go and get it.
So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to.
So these beautiful babies are finished. We got Elsa right there, and then also, you remember his name? You don't remember his name? How you don't remember his name when you be watching the show?
I don't know. It's for Kinsley.
Had to get the stepdaughter right for Kinsley's birthday. Customized these in under 24 hours. Came out fire. She about to be the flyest girl in school. When she come out there first day of school, she said she bringing them out.
Working hard just so I can say I told you so. I told you so. I don't need your approval to be myself. I got that on myself. Gracefully, gotta keep it cozy. I'ma take it slowly, one step at a time till my time is up. Why you stay mad at me? We gon' make mistakes, we gon' disagree. Are you so proud of me? If you just wait and see, you gon' ride. So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could've done this or that. I